What's up everybody, welcome to Gamingtech. You've been asking about this cooler, if we can change the color. Unfortunately not. We have a confused Jimmy and this fan only supports blue LED color. A lot of you asked about it. As you see, we have the version that is the transparent version. This cooler comes with three different ones. i70, i70c and i71c. i71c is the RGB one. This is only the blue LED one. How do we know this? We do not have RGB fan headers. Number one, we do not have anything to control it, and I have tested with the softwares that you can imagine. Cooler Master software, all kinds of software, it doesn't detect it because, like in the beginning of the video, it is only supporting blue LED color. So this is the model that we have. Pay attention to this so you do not waste any time. Exactly. Three versions. Black one, blue one, and RGB supporting one. It's very simple. A lot of you are gonna be sad about this, but unfortunately this is the reality. It is done by Medion horribly. This is the RGB one. Why? On their box, like I showed on the picture, Medion is stating we have just used the air cooler. What kind of air cooler? Not everybody knows this, and they're not obliged to know this in the pre-built system world. CPU Z is just gonna show you the clock speed. Here what we can do is you can get this from Akasa. RGB control, pay attention. This is with 4 pin, so it's 12 volt, and this is 5 volt. So do not mix them up. Be very careful. 3 pins are always 5, 4 pins are always 12. If you really want to add RGB to this system, as you see, that is the why we cannot change it. By me applying thermal paste, I dropped the degree by 1 degree. It's not actually really worth it. You should be changing this cooler because this cooler can't keep up with this CPU. 11,700, a front fan. If you don't want to buy anything, you can install underneath. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. I am really sorry, but you guys asked for this. I went and looked it up. Sadly, we cannot change the color, so we are stuck with the blue color. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go. Let's go.